Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to calculate column totals using sum function. First, select the cell B6. Then go to Home tab and find Editing Group. From there, select the sum function. Now select the cells from B4 to B5. Press Enter. Now that you have the total, point to the fill handle at the bottom right corner and drag it up to column M. Now it's important to always stay on row 6. Now you see the sum appearing for all the empty cells. We repeat the same steps for the cell B17. Now go to the cell B19 and type equals B6 minus B17. Now press Enter. Here we see the difference appearing in the cell. Now we do the same thing with this cell as well. Thank you.